Welcome to PEEP, Unit 7. Prepare for education and or employment properly by Vasanthi Ranganathan, Lakeview Learning and Development Center, Chembarambaka. Hi, passing exams is part of living life, like brushing your teeth. Many of us can't get even brushing the teeth right. You get a whole lot of tutorials, and that is something we grow up with from age 1 maybe. So passing exams does not come easy, just like that. If you did learn the ropes of taking exams, it will not be difficult at all. Exam taking skill has come to stay as a part of your life skill sets. Once you pick it up, you can pass many exams all your lives. You will get funding, meritorious scholarships, great paying jobs if you get good marks. But passing exams without arrears is the beginning. There are many who went on merit scholarships because they got good marks. I'm one. And I can pass exams even today and get good marks. Taking an exam is only a skill. Skills of reading, fast reading, understanding, speed writing, relaxing, focusing, and that's it. You've passed. I'm very proud of my ability to pass exams. That is a show of my strength. Now, what comes to my mind is somebody asking me, can you eat an elephant? Wow. I think of a book. Even an elephant can be eaten slice by slice. Here is a conversation. Can you eat a goat? Says someone. People say, of course. Can you eat beef? Oh, surely, why not? Can you eat an elephant? Oh, no. Why no? Because first, elephants are huge, so big that you're scared. And another reason, you have not had experience eating elephants. Elephants can be eaten slice by slice. All you have to do is to buy a big refrigerator, cut the elephant into many slices, stack them, and eat them one by one. If you have to eat a bag of rice, you cannot do it all at once. Eat a little measure every day, and the bag of rice is just gone. If you have a big goal in your life, all that you need to do is just take a little step, little small steps. Just get started and you will be there at your goal shortly. How do I start? Just by completing a little every day. Remember, even the elephant can be eaten slice by slice. I have intentions to pass all my exams. I took up a degree program at college to become a good employer or a good employee. I will surely come out of college with no arrears. This is the pledge I want to take because even an elephant can be eaten slice by slice. Here are some questions for you to think over. What should I do to pass exams? How much can I read? Let me experiment with a small chunk and increase the chunk on a daily basis. If I can do that, my reading skills will improve and I can listen again and again in the classroom and start taking notes. Just pen a few thoughts and send them across to Vasanthi Ranganathan at hotmail.com or WhatsApp at 98410-80073. Remember, elephants can be eaten slice by slice. Thank you.